In this video, I'm going to show you how to get waste plastic in Once Human. So in order for you to get waste plastic, you can pretty much loot pretty much the entire areas of these over here, so the Iron River region, and as well as Red Sands will give you some as well. I've actually managed to get it some in the Broken Delta as well. However, I would recommend the Iron River region to get the most of this, okay? Now, once you simply walk around these towns, and then simply gather items from the floor, kill different enemies, they will drop certain things, certain items, pick those up using the F key on your keyboard, and then teleport back to your territory. In there, walk up to your disassembly bench, press F, and then click select all, and all your items will be selected and disassembled. Now as you can see, this over here is waste plastic, and this is what you want to basically get, okay? This is what this video is about, and right now, I think I got it from a syringe I have over here. There you go, as you can see. However, there's many more items you can disassemble to get this. So, that's pretty much it. That's how to get waste plastic in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.